right, we're gonna package and order Beaver hat edition. We've got the hat that needs to go out. Got my little kitty light. Got myself some Dutch Brothers because I was feeling extra fancy today. Every order comes with a sticker. This particular order, though, is a gift. And these new little gift thingies are friggin' adorable. I won't show you all of it, for obvious reasons. And then zero waste, compostable packaging. So good for the environment. And then, let's see. Oh, here we go. We got some tissue paper to wrap it in. A little sticker that goes on the outside. And I think that is about it. So let's go ahead and get started. What's really cool about this is I'm actually wearing a Beaver shirt to package this Beaver hat.